Here is how we can check previous locations on the iPhone. Let's talk about it. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there are more places where you can check that out. The most common one is by going to the settings app of the iPhone and browsing the main menu. You'll be able to see the location section, which is part of the privacy and security. So at first, find the privacy and security location services at the top, and you can see so many different things. But again, at the bottom of this list, we have system services. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see so many things which might have the notifications. The like location enabled, right? So obviously all of those things should be turned on for the most precision. But one of the things which is not even a toggle is just a clickable menu is called significant locations and routes. And as long as you have that enabled, you will be able to get inside and see some of the important things. Like you can see the summary of, in my case, a couple of records. I can check out the recent records, and those are like the places which are like the, important or significant locations where I happen to be a lot with this phone. So that's pretty useful to check out. On the other hand, if you are using a different app, for example, a lot of people use Google Maps. In there, you can tap on your profile within the app and check out what's called your timeline. And that's going to come up with it tells you that it's going back in time, and it's also going to tell you some of the important places you've been to. So it's also a nice way to check out more information about like the places you tend to visit a lot. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope I can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future videos as well.